Oklahoma Joe slots, and we're going to try some Magic Pearl. And as always, I would like to say, no dolphins or mermaid was hurt during this video. We are at High Winds Casino. We are going to play dimes. And I think we're going to try, $750 for a minute. Feeling kind of froggy. You may regret this.
Dr. Pepper for you, sir.
Thank you very much. The drink of champions here, Diet Dr. Pepper. Let me take a swig here. Diet Dr. Pepper, not a sponsor.
Free to sponsor if they want.
I was gonna say, if they want to sponsor me, I'd be okay with that. But as much as I drink, and considering I'm probably going to be on kidney dialysis when I'm older, they probably should. As I have a severe drinking problem when it comes to Diet Dr. Pepper. I am a pepperholic. 3 more, please. Boo! Okay, President Porpoise up there. We need 3 President Porpoise. Turtles and a half shell. Okay, I think we're going to change this. We're going to go to nickels. We've already lost over $100, and we are going to do 75 nickels now. See how that goes. Got a little hit there. 165 nickels. 2 more. No. Oh, just missed it. Come on now. Oh, just missed it. That's good orbs there too. We're almost down half already. Yikes. Come on now. Be nice to me. We got Patrick Starr up there. And Mermaid Lady. Maybe we should hook her up with Neptune over there and get them on a hot date. One more? Nope. Getting scary. Down to $167. It's getting scary now. We're gonna need a pretty big win to get our money back. That would have done it if we could have just got one more orb. Oh, a bunch of wasted wilds there. Come on. She's killing me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. It's so sad. It's saddening to me. Three more, please. We got it, finally. Got a mini and a minor. $250 minor, $50 mini. So we're going to get our money back. That's what I'm talking about. Way to go, President Porpoise. That's thank you and dolphin. I'll take that $506 major and we get the trifecta, but I'm, you know, not really expecting it, but. Dun, 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 dun. One more spin. Can we get something else to keep us alive? Dun, dun, dun. Yes, we can. 75 more nickels. We'll take that.
Get the major on the trifecta.
That's what I just said. I said I'll take the major for a trifecta. I don't know what if we got a grand, if it would be called a four-factor. I don't know what. I have no idea. But I see a mini floating around there. I'd definitely be happy with another mini. That would just tickle me plumb to death. Can we stay alive? Nope. Look at this, guys. Another nice comeback. We won it all back and then some. All right, so now we are ahead. So, got anything else left in it? I kind of doubt it. I think we should do a live movement to a different machine. We're going to do this live. I'm going to cash out. I'm going to get a drink of my soda. I'm going to throw my cup in the trash. And we're going to go over here and we're going to do moon race. Probably the hardest one out of all of them. I have a hard time ever hitting the moon race challenge, but we're going to try it. All right, should we stick with the nickels or go to dimes or what? Let's go to dimes. $5 dimes. Let's see what happens here. $6. I made a couple of friends here tonight at High Winds Casino. I want to say hi to all my new subscribers. We got a little hit there. $30, that wasn't bad. Get it, come on, one more. Police! I got ripped off. Dink, donk, 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 dink. One more. We got it. Hot dog. Sometimes you get hot dog hungry. Speaking of hot dogs, the other day I was going down the highway and saw the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile going down the road. That's something you don't see every day. A gigantic wiener going down the road. All right. A little something, little something, something. Little something, something. It's pretty good there. I think they're one of the better symbols. Okay, we're at 28 bucks. 3 more? Oh. Nothing. 3 more. One more, please. Oh my God. I wanted the bonus and the bonus so bad. I could taste it. No. Sounds like an Atari. Well, not great. 38 bucks. It's a little bit saddened, not gonna lie, a little saddened. But I'm still happy to get it. I love getting a bonus. I don't get it very often. Don't! Tell you what, the way the machines have been tonight, I've seen some people hit some very big jackpots tonight. I've not hit any, but I've seen some big jackpots here tonight at high winds. Seem like they're being pretty friendly right now, which is all luck and timing. I mean, tell someone to come out here and drop $500. My wife just beat me up over a chair earlier. Whacking me around. Sorry for the movement in the video. I'll tell somebody to come out here and lose a bunch of money and they blame me, but we've done really well tonight, and I've heard a lot of people hitting some big jackpots, $6,000, $7,000, $8,000. Oh, I just missed it again.
You did hit the jackpot. You married me.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Third place in hell, trophy wife. Alright, we're going to do 2 more. 1 more. Whoa. Man, I wish we had something in that 4th column. Got enough for another spin? I don't think so. Nope. Alright, we're going to call it there. That was fun. We got a nice comeback and everything. We did alright. So, okay guys. Thanks for watching Oklahoma Joe's Slots. And, keep helping me grow. Give me those thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next video.